Call the cops. 911. Yeah. Shit my pants. Reapers! What's is good? It's your boy Laser. Using the visor back with another scary reaction video. Using another scary content, so I can deliver that for you guys. This video actually ring doorbell footage that make you shiver. If you enjoy scary content, you want to give your likes, features, please hit the like button, subscribe, and you tickle that notification bell icon like you tickle my pee-pee, bro. Let's dive straight into this video. Creepy Chronicles.
In this first chilling nighttime Ring doorbell clip, we witness an eerie figure shrouded in darkness.
Does he got a Jason mask on?
Unsuspecting homeowner's door.
This bro got fucking butter on his face, bro. Did he just put like a huge slob of butter on his face?
Concealing his identity with a mask.
Hey, who wants to be my
Watch closely as he presses the doorbell and then meticulously surveys his surroundings. His intentions shrouded in mystery.
What kind of mask is that, bro?
What unfolds next will leave you on the edge of your seat as he ultimately decides to depart the scene.
Bro's got a whole lemon face, bro. Damn, bro, what the fuck?
In this shocking Ring doorbell clip,
yo!
Witness a
hey, bro, is that a knife? Hey, you're gonna put that to the fucking doorbell camera? Hey, well, guess what, pussy ass fucking bitch? All of a sudden, Britney Spears.
Troubling incident as a young boy is caught red-handed at someone's front door, wielding a knife with destructive intent. As he takes aim at the camera, his actions leave us in suspense. Suddenly, a startling sound from within the house startles him, forcing him to hastily flee the scene. In this daring heist Ring doorbell footage, two individuals approach a store, feigning interest in making a purchase. However, their true intentions soon become apparent as one of them seizes the opportunity, snatching a container filled with cash from the store's desk.
Wait, what?
The storekeeper, unaware while on the phone, is left
that boy's being
as
slick.
the culprits make a quick getaway before anyone can intervene.
Oh, he was slick with it. He was slick with it.
Hello? The camera caught your face.
Shame on you.
How can you bring back out for the police? Your face on the camera already.
Damn!
In this
Snatch that
Ring
shit.
doorbell footage, we witness a heart-wrenching ordeal as an elderly woman returns home, completely unaware that she's being followed by a mysterious car. As she attempts to park, an ominous figure emerges from the shadows, launching a brazen attack by forcibly opening her car door and robbing her of her precious belongings.
Wait, what?
The intruder's lightning-fast escape back to his waiting car leaves us with a sense of urgency.
What's going on, bro? He's got like a whole hoodie on and shit, bro. I don't even know what's going on, man. Damn, just dipped like that, huh? Oh, he was stealing from that grandma? That's fucked up. That's actually fucked up. Bro, leave the fucking grandma alone. Leave Grammy alone. I say Grammy. Granny. Granny's waste of Grammys.
Footage, we enter
holy shit, what the fuck in Florida?
Of the unexpected as a massive alligator, lurking in the shadows, prowls around the perimeter of someone's property.
What the fuck in Florida?
Its primal instincts in full display, this formidable creature moves with eerie grace, making its way toward the front door of the house.
He looks
its
friendly.
Eyes gleaming with an insatiable hunger for prey.
Hey, do not talk down to my boy like that, bitch.
In this intriguing Ring doorbell footage, masked individuals, shrouded in secrecy, approach a private property under the cloak of night. Their intentions become crystal clear as they attempt to break into parked vehicles, hoping to make off with ill-gotten gains. However, They are met with an unexpected twist as the vigilant homeowner springs into action, disrupting their sinister plans and forcing the intruders to hastily retreat from the scene.
Bye, bitch. Ah.
In this heart-pounding Ring doorbell footage, a lady rushes onto someone's property, pursued closely by a determined driver. Their intentions are unmistakable as she snatches up a valuable package
She
left
took a whole
outside
TV.
the house and swiftly deposits it into their waiting car.
That's a TV, bro.
The tension mounts as they make a daring escape, leaving us with unanswered questions.
Oh, you can't even fit it in there, bro. That's crazy. They can't even fit it in there. That's nuts. You can't even fit it in.
In this tense Ring doorbell footage, a man stands at someone's front door, his face contorted with anger and frustration. With a menacing tone, he threatens the homeowner, vowing to involve the authorities in a dispute that's clearly reached a boiling point.
Wait, what?
But as emotions run high, a surprising twist unfolds as the man ultimately decides to walk away from the house.
Nice.
I'm calling the cops.
Call the cops, pussy ass bitch. Nobody cares.
I'm calling the cops.
Call the cops. 911. Yeah. Shit my pants.
In this gripping Ring doorbell footage, we bear witness to a clandestine mission as a man stealthily makes his way onto someone's porch, driven by the urge to seize any valuable treasures he can find. With a sense of daring, he scours the area, acutely aware of the need for discretion.
Me took snacks from our delivery driver basket and then proceeded to eat them on our neighbor's porch. Oh, that's nuts, bro. I just know this guy took the whole bowls of candy when he was a kid, bro. I went church-ing. I did the same, by the way. I actually, you guys, I'm not joking. One time I went to a Halloween bucket, bro, and I shit in it. But it was already empty, though. It was already empty after I took all the candy from it. I'm dead serious. I shit in it, bro. I'm being fucking serious. Like, I'm not playing. I'm being dead fucking serious.
In this unsettling Ring doorbell clip, we find ourselves inside an apartment building where an intruder, fueled by the influence of alcohol, embarks on a perilous journey. As he approaches someone's door with ill intentions, clutching a bottle of alcohol, the tension mounts.
Charlotte, wait, this isn't Charlotte?
Watch closely as he attempts to breach the entrance, his determination apparent. However, faced with the formidable defenses of the door, he ultimately decides to retreat.
Charlotte.
In this startling and unsettling Ring doorbell clip, a masked intruder takes center stage. This clandestine figure, shrouded in secrecy, is on a mission to break into someone's house, armed with spare keys. As he works tirelessly to gain access to the dwelling, the stakes rise with each passing moment. In this mysterious Ring doorbell clip, two women, bathed in darkness, stand before a stranger's door, their faces marked by worry and distress. One knocks urgently, while the other sits on the cold floor, tears streaming down her face. As they await the homeowner's response, their true intentions remain veiled in uncertainty.
Wait, I don't know what's going on.
Mama, chill out. Bro, why don't you never...
Are they high as shit and are they drunk? I don't know. I don't even know. They probably were drunk or wasted.
In this captivating Ring doorbell clip, a woman seizes the opportunity to grab a valuable package left unattended on someone.
Oh, you gotta bring your boyfriend to bail the day for you, huh?
She snatches the prize and dashes back to her waiting car, her actions designed to go unnoticed by unsuspecting onlookers.
Yes, bring the boyfriend to bail,
In this nerve-wracking Ring doorbell clip, a determined man, on his trusty bike, arrives at someone's property, poised to execute a swift heist.
Bro just casually took a whole fucking, those porch pillows or whatever the fuck that is.
With precision, he approaches the porch, eyeing the items left unattended outside.
Yep, this seems about California.
He snatches the loot and makes a speedy getaway, disappearing into the night on his two-wheeled accomplice.
Speedy getaway? How did the wheels on his bike not fucking burst, bro? His fucking, pulse is probably gonna burst.
In this spine-tingling Ring doorbell clip, an unidentified man stealthily encircles someone's property, casting shadows.
Hey, it's the guy from iCarly, bro.
His intentions remain
what was his name?
Mystery as he meticulously surveys the area.
T-Boney? I forgot.
The vigilant homeowner takes swift action, placing a call to the authorities while the intruder continues to search for a way onto the property.
What was his name?
The tension escalates as police officers arrive on the scene, ultimately leading to the apprehension of the suspicious individual.
Oh, snap. Like, bro, they know they're gonna get caught and they do it anyways, like fucking idiots. Like, bring a mask. I said this like 50 million times. I'll keep saying it till I die, bro. Oh, Phoenix.
Hey, that's some damn shit in there. You don't want to represent her.
Oh, hey.
You gonna lay it down.
T-Boney, right? That's your name, right? T-Boney, are you gonna give me some,
Quarter come and kill your ass.
You're gonna kill my ass. Bro, I don't even think his name was T-Boney.
In this eye-opening Ring doorbell clip, we find ourselves at the doorstep of a home where two individuals approach the entrance with dubious intentions.
Oh yeah, scenes about Chicago.
One of them clutches a set of tools, hinting at their sinister purpose. However, the homeowner, vigilant and resolute, intervenes, confronting the intruders with a straightforward question: "What do you want?"
Wait, what's going on?
I'm not home right now.
Dude, when you hear that on the Ring doorbell, you instantly leave.
Can I help you?
Oh, I'm sorry.
They switch up, bro. As soon as you hear that ring voice, bro, it's over.
Yeah, I got the
Oh,
wrong address.
this is
I'm looking for
place.
61
You gotta go on the other side.
Not place.
All right, no problem.
Okay, I'm sorry, man.
I swear, people are so fucking weird, bro. Always switching up, too. Like, people just have, it's crazy, bro. You know what's crazy, bro? There's literally people out there walking, like, I've said this in my other video, there's people out there walking right now with just bad intentions, bro. Some people, like, literally are just out there ready to fucking murk some, I don't know, some famous dude or some shit, dude. Someone's out there someone's literally living just having bad intentions. That's all they have. Like, there's literally little walking... You guys, like, if a deep shower thought is... There's literally future murderers just walking free on those streets right now. Like, doesn't that freak you the fuck out? There's future, like, shooters, like, mass shooters, like, future, like, killers that are gonna kill famous people. There's future, like... It's just crazy to think there's walking psychopaths out there right now, bro. That traumatizes the fuck out of me just thinking about it, bro. You know what I mean?
In this Shroud of Night Ring doorbell clip, a lone woman finds herself trailed by a mysterious stranger. As she reaches the safety of her home, a sense of unease washes over her, prompting her to swiftly secure the door, her mind racing with questions about the stranger's intentions.
Wait, what's going on?
In this Stillness Ring doorbell clip, a mysterious figure cautiously approaches someone's property, his intentions shrouded in darkness. Suspicion hangs heavy in the air as he eyes the surveillance camera, a sentinel of watchful eyes. With a daring move, he attempts to tamper with the camera, intent on obscuring his actions.
Wait, what? Huh?
In this Intrigue Ring doorbell clip, we venture into a moment of uncertainty as a man lingers at someone's front door.
I just know that man. I just know that man smells like fucking piss, bro, and expired like eggs.
His presence raises questions as he stands there, seemingly waiting to see if anyone will challenge his unexpected arrival.
I just know that fucker
However,
smells, bro.
It soon becomes evident that his true intentions are far from benign, as he seizes the opportunity to pilfer a valuable package left unguarded.
Daniel Larson when he gets older, bro. No, I'm just playing. I love you, Daniel.
In this gripping Ring doorbell clip,
oh, look at this thick booty bitch.
Before someone's entrance, her demeanor cloaked in innocence.
Bro, I'm sorry, but those kind of butts right there are slept on.
As she surveys the surroundings and lingers for seconds, her true intentions remain hidden.
Wait, actually, what am I saying? I don't... I might need a magnifying glass because I think I might be seeing wrong. Actually, there's not really... Don't body shame, Laser. Shut your bitch ass up.
However, in a swift and unexpected turn of events, she's...
Oh, chat, yeah, Oh, fuck. No, why the fuck did I chat me video? I mean, the people watching this video. God damn it! Close the door, bitch.
Seizes the opportunity to snatch a package left unattended and swiftly departs.
Your ass gone, bitch.
In this unsettling Ring doorbell encounter, a man lurks around a homeowner's property, hidden by the shroud of darkness. His presence raises immediate concerns, prompting the vigilant homeowner to intervene for the sake of security.
Cool. Cool.
I'm a neighbor.
Are you a neighbor?
I'm sorry to bother you, ma'am. I live just down the road, and my girlfriend's mom and dad, they kicked me out of the house, and I was like,
Girlfriend, I guarantee you that guy does not. Well, I mean, he probably does, but she's not fine.
ask if there's any way that I can do anything to go, at least something.
I don't know. Our damn's crazy. Well, guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, guys. There's people out there with like zero good intentions. Be on the lookout. Like, always keep your door locked before and like check before opening. But if you guys enjoy scary content or scary like this feature, you know what to do. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.